I got this Champion generator in the mail from FedEx today. It's 4,650 watts. It's RV ready. Got an RV ready. It's got two 110. It's got a little adapter for USB that comes with it. It's got parallel connections to run another generator, so you can run 50 amps. This is a 30 amp, 120 volt. This is in eco mode, running very quietly. Go on eco, gets a hair louder. But still not very loud, you can still hear it pretty well. Then you go into eco mode, very quiet. Holds about 2 gallons of gas. Here it is on the back side. It's got wheels, no flat wheels, and it's got a handle right here. It's got rubberized supports underneath so it doesn't move. This is a pull start. I went for that instead of electric. It's a little bit lighter, and it's going to be running that RV Connect, KZ Connect with it's a 50 watt trailer, but only runs on 30 watts because I don't have the second air conditioner. So I run 30 amps instead of 50. Pretty happy with it. It started first pull, or second pull, and I'm doing the 5-hour break-in. Then I'm going to change the oil to 5W30. The break-in oil is 10W30. 5W30 full synthetic runs in every climate. So happy with my purchase. It was just under $800 and shipped from Lowe's. 10% military discount.